So here, good day guys. So we have here another differential calculus problem. So the problem states here that to find the dimensions of the largest rectangular building that can be placed on a right triangular lot facing one of the perpendicular sides. So first we're going to draw the triangular lot. So here. So here in the problem, it states here that what is the largest rectangular lot building? What is the largest rectangular building that can be placed on a right triangular lot? So assume this is the building. Okay, so let's assume this one as dimension A, this one is dimension B, so this is X and Y. Okay. So the solution will be area here is that will be X times Y, area of a rectangle. Okay? So by using similar triangle principle, so Y over A minus X is equal to B over A. Okay, so therefore Y is equal to B over A times A minus X. Okay, so therefore A is equal to X B over A times A minus X is equal to B over A AX minus X squared. Okay, so you get the differential here. Differential of A over dx will be B over A times A minus 2x differential here. Therefore, 2x is equal to A. And simplify this one, x is equal to A over 2. Okay. So this one is dimension for X, so we'll get the dimension of Y. So Y is equal to B over A times A minus 1 of A is equal to, simplify this, 1 of B. Okay, so the dimensions of the lot is A over 2 and B over 2. This is the final answer. Okay. Thank you.